After watching this video till end, you will get your TikTok post data into this format. ID, who is the author full name, how many followers author has, how many posts, how many videos author has posted so far, what is the body text of the post, at what time they are posted, what is the music ID, music URL just to get the music only, URL to that post, how many people have liked it, how many people have commented on that, and how many people have shared it. Very interestingly, how many people have played it. This is very important for engagement metrics. If any hashtag is used and what was the location. So be with me until the end of this video. Hi, this is Dr. Muhammad Awais and you're watching Doctor's Care. And today we are going to look at how to save data from TikTok posts into Excel in a simple, structured and responsible way. In this tutorial, the focus is strictly on legal, ethical and policy compliant approaches. We are not accessing private accounts, not bypassing security systems and not collecting restricted information. Everything shown here is limited to data that is already publicly accessible on the platform and suitable for academic observation and analysis. And by organizing TikTok posts information into Excel, you can build structured datasets that are easier to manage, clean and analyze. This can support content analysis, discourse studies, engagement research and computational approaches using research tools. By the way, I am a certified expert and trainer in NVivo and MAXQDA, and I also provide one-on-one guidance on social media data analysis using R and Python. If you need any assistance, feel free to send an email on the email showing at your screen. And if you want to find a paper in which this tool is mentioned, you can cite my latest published paper. I have given a ready to copy citation in the description of this video. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. You should be using Mozilla Firefox. If you haven't installed it in your computer, I have provided a link to download this in the description of this video. You can download it and install in your computer. Once you downloaded and installed, you should have another file which ends with .xpi. It is an add-on file for Mozilla Firefox. You can download this file also by visiting a link that I provided in the description of this video. So 2 steps. First, install Mozilla Firefox if you haven't already and download this .xpi file. Once you are done with both steps, come in Mozilla Firefox, hit at this 3-line button, go to extensions and themes, hit at this setting like button, go to install add-on from file. Navigate to where you have saved .xpi file and select it. Hit open. So the add-on is ready to install in Mozilla Firefox. Just hit add. If you want to pin this to toolbar, select it and hit OK. Now this add-on is ready. 3 steps, Mozilla Firefox, and then you should have .xpi file and then install it. Now visit TikTok without logging into any account. So I have opened a profile of a celebrity. You see, I am not logged in. Now go to this add-on, select TikTok post and go back to TikTok and refresh this page. Now when you go to this tab, you will see 35 items have been saved. Means 35 posts have been saved somewhere. As you scroll down, new posts will be visible, right? And when you go back to this add-on, you will see the number increased. The bottom line is, as you scroll down, the number of items, number of posts in that add-on will also be increasing. So this way you can scroll till the end. Just to save your time, I will leave it to you to scroll till the end. I assume you have scrolled in the end and you have the total number of items mentioned here. What should be the next step? Download this .ndjson file. You see, the file is downloaded, but it is unreadable, right? One step is left to get your CSV. You should visit this web page. I have given URL to this web page in the description. So here you can see drop your ndjson file here. So just drop your file here. And within a second you will get your CSV ready. When we open it, we can see ID of the post, who is the author full name, how many followers author has, how many videos author have posted, what is the body text of the post, and very important, at what time it is posted, TikTok URL, the post URL will be here, how many people have liked it, how many people have commented on that, how many people have shared, and very important, how many people have played this video, just to see the engagement, right? If any hashtag is used, location if publicly available, and much more. So you see how seamlessly you can get your TikTok post data into this structured CSV. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. You have now seen how simple it is to organize publicly visible TikTok post data into Excel in a structured and practical way. As always, the most important point is responsibility. We are working only with information that is already visible on the platform. We are not accessing private content, not bypassing protections, and not doing anything that conflicts with platform rules or user privacy. Ethical and academic use of social media data should always guide your work. Before using your dataset, make sure to review TikTok's official policies and terms so that you clearly understand what types of data use are appropriate for research and educational purposes. And if you need support with analysis after collecting your data, I also offer one-on-one guidance. I am a certified trainer and expert in NVivo and MAXQDA, and I assist researchers working with R and Python for social media data analysis. Whether you are planning qualitative coding, content analysis, or computational research, feel free to contact me. My email is on the screen. In the next video, we will go a step further and look at how to download comment data from TikTok post for research purposes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.